Good morning. It's great to have your company this Tuesday, the 22nd of December. I'm Jessica Amir, a market analyst here at Bell Direct. Well, there's plenty to absorb today. Lots of positive news. Pfizer's vaccine approved for use in the EU. 500,000 people have already received the first dose of the vaccine in the UK. And in the US, Moderna is shipping its first batch of its vaccine doses. Also in the US, lawmakers agreed on a $900 billion rescue package that includes direct payments of $600 to most adults and $600 per child as well. Now, despite all the positive news, there are concerns that a new coronavirus strain is in the UK, spreading much faster. Now, this has triggered more severe lockdowns and travel restrictions across Europe. However, health authorities have come out saying not to be too overly concerned because there is no suggestions of a higher death rate with this new mutated strain. However, that did see the broad indices pull back. The S&P 500 fell 0.4%. The Dow Jones actually went the other way, rising by 0.1%, and the Nasdaq eased, falling by 0.1%. Banks like Goldman Sachs did well, up 6%. JP Morgan gained about 4%, while Apple jumped over 1% and Nike leapt up 5%. Commodity screens were mixed. The oil price fell 2% to $47.80 US on new coronavirus strain concerns, but oil is holding onto a 10-month high, so that's important to note. While the iron ore price surged almost 2%, it's now at $155 US. That's for the most traded iron ore price, that is. It's called fines. While the gold price has fallen ever so slightly, it's now at $1,882 US, as investors are instead favouring blue chip US stocks, with Moderna's vaccine being rolled out across the US. Now, what to expect and watch today? Well, the Aussie share market is expected to ease for the second straight day. A fall of 0.4% is expected if you went by the futures earlier, as investors are weighing up the New South Wales restrictions, which could shave about 0.1% off this quarter's economic growth, and that's according to Citi's analysts. As for economic news that's out today, preliminary retail trade data is out, expected to show that we spent about 0.6% less in November after we splurged in October, when retail trade lifted 1.4%. Orica holds their AGM today. What else to watch? Well, trading ideas, some that could be worth a look, include the plus-size women's clothing business City Chic Collective, CCX. Yesterday, they announced plans to purchase another distressed business. Now, this time, CCX is entering the UK, the $9 billion UK market, after it inked a deal to buy a 90-year-old business that's got quite a loyal customer base. The business is called Evans E-Commerce, and they also bought the e-commerce as well as their wholesale businesses as well. Now, City Chic, their shares jumped 11% yesterday to a 4-month high on the back of the news, and CCX was earmarked as a Bell Potter buy again, but it was given a new revved up $4.10 price target. Bell Potter also upgraded the small cap copper company called Aries Resources, AIS, maintaining the stock as a buy but increasing its target to 12 cents. Now, the copper price has fallen from its 8-year high last week on new virus strain concerns, but with the rising winter demand for heating and growing industrial activity, while China supply is quite tight, the copper price is expected to charge over the medium to longer term. So for AIS, what to also keep in mind, well, recently, they received higher copper grades from their new drilling results in New South Wales, and their shares charged over 5% yesterday on the back of their results. So that's AIS. Keep an eye on them. And following the continued nickel price rally, Bell Potter reiterated nickel mines as a buy with a $1.49 target. NIC also backed by Credit Suisse, Macquarie and Citi with a $1.40 upper target. Western Areas, another favoured nickel producer for Macquarie, Credit Suisse and Citi, as well as for Ord Minnett. WSA is a buy with a upper $3 price target for Ord Minnett. Lastly, keep an eye on 3 stocks, NRW, Jupiter Mines and Praemium, all showing bullish charting signals according to Trading Central. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Stay safe. Happy trading.